Okay, so people, I'm now going to make the glaze. Why I really like this glaze is I sort of developed this myself, sort of, because I used to make donut glaze. It's because I used to do it a lot, and I found it so sweet. I was like, it's tasting so weird. So I decided, one time I tried putting salt to reduce the sweetness, and it wasn't a good idea. So I started putting yogurt instead of milk, because milk is very light and milk is not sour, but then yogurt is sour, so it really helped me, and it makes the glaze more, it's tasty but not in a sweet way. So when you're making a chocolate glaze, you either use flavoring, for example vanilla, or you use coffee, because coffee is a bit sour, so it gives the chocolate a really healthy taste. So yeah, this is just random butter. I'm going to add, but the butter tastes better than margarine. It has a nicer, smoother, I don't know how to explain it anymore, but yeah, just it's a better option. So yeah, I just put butter with yogurt. Since I'm using salted butter, I'm not going to add salt, but most glaze recipes talk about salt, so maybe at this point I can put the coffee. It really doesn't matter order in which things enter. And then now I'm going to put this in. Maybe I'm going to put little at a time. I've already sieved the icing sugar. It's very important for you to sieve icing sugar because it creates balls inside the entire mixture once you don't sieve, and that is extremely unappetizing. Yeah, so speaking of glazes, there are very many that you can do. I tried banana, and it's really good because I really like banana cakes, so it was something that I was so excited to do, and I was not in any way disappointed. So measurements for glaze, you can always measure and go according to, I'm using the website Chowhound for like the donuts, but you can always measure and see what you like, but I personally just use my eyes. I still find it a bit too thick. Initially, I used to dip the donuts in here, but then I found it took way more time than I wanted it to do. So I started, you see this is like just a random, it was for a business was supposed to start at home that we sort of started but didn't really fulfill. So what I do is I just get a random plastic thing. You can use actually the icing sugar bag, and then I create a hole. Like I put all this in, then I create a hole here at the bottom, and then you'll just see me